Assalamualaikum and good day. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Haula Amni binti Muhammad Fathan. Today, I will be demonstrating a basic hand sewing technique. Sewing is an important life skill because it helps us repair clothes, save money by not having to send clothes to a tailor, and reduce waste. Even simple stitches can be very useful in our daily life. For this demonstration, I will show two basic hand stitches, the running stitches and the back stitches. Both of stitches are suitable for beginner and are commonly used in simple sewing projects. Before we start sewing, let's prepare the material we need. First of all, we should need needle, thread, scissors, and last one, fabric. Once all the material are ready, thread the needle and tie off the end so that it does slip. I can show you. After threading the needle, we can start sewing. We will start with the first stitch, which is the running stitch. The running stitch is the simple and most common hand stitch. It is usually used for temporary stitching or simple repairs. To begin the running stitch, insert the needle from the back of the fabric to the front. Then, push the needle back down through the fabric. Repeat this process by moving the needle up and down in a straight line. Make sure the stitches are evenly spaced for a neat result. The running stitch is easy to do and quick to complete. However, it is not very strong, so it is usually used for light or temporary sewing. Once the running stitch is complete, we will move on to the second stitch, which is the back stitch. The back stitch is stronger and more durable than the running stitch. It is commonly used for seams or areas that require extra strength, such as repairing torn clothes. To start the back stitch, insert the needle from the back of fabric to the front. Make a straight stitch and pull the needle all the way through. Then bring the needle up again about one stitch long away from the previous stitch and push the needle back down through the same hole where the previous stitch end. Make sure each stitch is the same long so that the stitching look neat and even. Repeat this process is a backward and forward motion. This technique creates a continuous line of stitches, making it stronger and more secure. Therefore, the back stitch is very suitable for repairing torn clothes or sewing area that require strong stitches. To finish the stitching, tie off the thread and cut the excess. In conclusion, today I have demonstrated two basic hand stitches. The first is running stitch, which is simple and suitable for beginner. Second is back stitch, which is stronger and more durable. These basic sewing skills are very useful and can be applied in everyday life. I hope this demonstration help you understand basic hand sewing technique. Thank you for watching.